and welcome. Today I'm gonna do a get ready with me while I'm on vacation, and I'll show you all the products that I'm using. Also, let me show you my view right now and what I'm looking at. It is absolutely stunning. I'm currently at the balcony of my room and I'll show you. Look at this view. It is amazing. So beautiful. So the first thing that I did is I used this after sun lotion because we do spend time here at the beach a lot, every single day. So I applied this as a base, and now I'm just doing my eyebrows. I'm just shaping them with a brush like this. And I am using the Got To Be Ultra Glued Gel, which holds it so well. This makes them last all day, doesn't make them move at all. So if you want your eyebrows to stay gelled the way you like it all day, I recommend that product. It's the best. So yeah, I'm currently in Cuba. This is the Grand Mutu Hotel. I think that's how you pronounce it. It is our first time here. I'm here with my family and some family friends. And actually, I've counted, and this is my 9th time in Cuba because we go here so much. But every time we try out a different hotel, so it's not really repetitive. So yeah, I'm just gelling my eyebrows. And basically, I just shape them into the eyebrow shape. It is so nice out today. So what I do for my eyebrows is I kind of brush them up like this. And then once that is like that, I kind of shape them into the actual shape that I like. It takes kind of a while sometimes. Also, I do want to mention, so eyebrows are complete. The reason why I'm a little bit pale is because this is only our 2nd day here, so don't worry, I still have time to tan. Now what I like to do is I take a Q-tip like this, and then I either wet it with water, right now I'm just going to use micellar water, and I clean up around my eyebrows all the excess gel so that it's not all over my face. So now I'm going to do mascara, and this is my favorite mascara. It is the L'Oreal Telescopic. It is my favorite all time. I'm going to put my hair back. This stuff makes your eyelashes look so nice and luscious and long. It is definitely the one to go for if you want like the long eyelash effect. And I do want to say I have this in the waterproof version as well, and I love both so much. They both work really well. I'm gonna clean up, don't worry. Also, you don't even know what I did in order to actually film this get ready with me. You know what I did? Do you actually want to know what I did? I took this table from the inside and I put it out here so I can actually do this. Okay, I did the eyelashes, I cleaned up my eyelids, and now next step is this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And you know what? This concealer is definitely worth the hype. I now get it. I get it. It's so good. I love it. It works so well. And it blends in with your skin so nicely that you can't even tell I'm wearing anything. And that's the goal, because I don't want to look cakey. I don't want it to look like something doesn't match my shade. This is the one. This is the one. So what I do is I twist it like 3 times, and then I go like this. So like that. And I take a beauty blender and I basically start, rubbing it out. So yeah, I just go like this and I rub it like that. So, as you can see, it's all blended out. The next step is I'm going to use these two. Also, excuse my voice, I'm kind of recovering from being sick. But I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Wand blush. And I'm also going to use the Charlotte Tilbury highlighter. So, I just create these kinds of lines like that. And then I take out my blush brush my blending brush and I just kind of go like this and I blend it. It's a really cute blush look. So it's blended out and then I just do a little bit of excess on my nose, just a little bit. But I check and see if it's blended out from all sides. If it is, then I move on to highlighter. Take it out, and then I go like this. And then I also put some on my nose, so it looks like that before I blend it out. And then I take another brush, and then I blend it out so that it blends in with the rest of the makeup. And this stuff blends in very easily. So, also recommend, this is probably my favorite highlighter ever. It is so gorgeous, I recommend. So then I blend my nose, just a little bit. So it looks like that, very cute. Honestly, am I done? So, we are finished. My last step is just using the rose water by the Heritage store, and you know where I got this from the first time? Is Winners. I found it at Winners, I tried it out, I loved it, so I ordered more on Amazon after, because Winners is the type of place where if you find something, if you come back, it might not be there anymore. So, but this stuff is so good. It works as like a hydrating facial mist, but also as a setting spray. So I usually go like this, and then I'm done. My makeup is complete. And then after this, I usually do some kind of a lip. It all varies from lip gloss to lip liner, whatever you choose. So yeah, that's my very easy, natural makeup look for everyday / on vacation. So yeah, this is the final makeup look for every single day or when I'm on vacation. My phone's about to fall. It is very natural but glowy and cute, and I feel like it really accentuates the natural features, which is what I like. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. One of my sisters just gave this to me. So thank you so much for watching. This concludes the makeup look. I will show you my setup.